Our beloved Imam's last blessing day has passed, during which he met His Royal Highness the Prince of Wales at Kensington Palace in London. Prince William, the elder son of King Charles III and the late Princess Diana, warmly welcomed our beloved Imam. Just as leaders from around the world receive our beloved Imam with great respect, King Charles and his son did the same. This respect reflects the Imam's exceptional leadership and the positive image of the Jamat across the world. The guidance given by our Imam ensures that we are never involved in conflict, violence, or division. This approach influences leadership in every country and is widely acknowledged by the world. It is recognized that Prince Rahim Aga Khan's Imamate represents outstanding leadership, nurturing awareness, wisdom, and civilized values among people. As we also mentioned in our previous video, yesterday the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Sir Keir Starmer, discussed strengthening cooperation on international development and humanitarian initiatives, as well as promoting pluralism in interfaith relations with our Imam. Detailed information about this cooperation has been shared on official Ismaili channels. We have only highlighted key points so that we remain updated and continue to serve humanity according to our Imam's vision, contributing as much as we can. Above all, having the opportunity to see our Imam and remember him is our right, and through his remembrance, our hearts find peace. Once again, thank you. Subscribe to stay updated. We are one Jamat.